Okay, so yesterday we have done the second chapter. We have started the second chapter, Theory of Consumer Behavior. So if you have missed this video, you can go to the Google Classroom, and some of the students, they are still not connected in the Google Classroom. Please download it and use the code to uh, join the video and to join the group. Okay. So yesterday we have learned about the utility. Okay, so small description about the utility. So utility means it is a satisfaction. Right? It is a satisfaction. So how much of customer will be satisfied? How much a customer is satisfied with such items? They are called utility. So if you are talking about two things, two product. Okay, so if you are talking about two products, mom and chowmin. Okay, so again after this class, maybe two students, three students, maybe talking about the talking about going to the restaurants and all. Okay, so यस्तै खालको च्याप्टर छ एकदम टेस्टी वाला च्याप्टर टेस्टी च्याप्टर इज देयर okay so if you are comparing two products like chowmin and momo then what you like to prefer you like to prefer momo okay rather than chowmin you like both but what will come in a higher preference momo will come okay so it has more utility that means you have more satisfaction with momo है so तिमीलाई अझै धेरै खानु मन लाग्छ if you want to buy scooty or bike then what is your satisfaction on so you have the satisfaction on the bike maybe if you are a boy so you have the satisfaction on the on this bike maybe and if you are comparing between the Vespa and Dio or something like that then so the girls may be preferring for Vespa okay so सबले Vespa हुन्छ म नि Vespa okay so this may be the satisfaction that is your first choice okay so that first choice is called the utility and talking about the total utility and marginal utility so total utility was called what okay so if you have taken two or three product together so if you have taken two product like chowmin also you have taken momo also you have taken momo ko कति छ युटाइल 50 युटाइल दिएको छ अरे तिमीले सेटिस्फाई कतिले हुन्छ okay एउटा इमेजिनरी एउटा पोइन्ट दिँदाखेरि सो मोमोलाई तिमीले 50 युटाइल्स भनेर दिन्छौ भने युटाइल भनेको इट इज द युनिट अफ युटिलिटी डिस्टेन्सलाई किलोमिटर ओके टाइमलाई सेकेन्ड भने जस्तै सो युटिलिटीको युनिट के हो त इट इज युटाइल्स सो मोमोलाई 50 युटाइल्स दिन्छ भने चौमिनलाई 40 युटाइल्स दिन्छ भने सो टोटल कति सेटिस्फाई भयो तिमीहरू दुईटै खायो अरे तिमीले okay if you have taken both the items then 50 plus 40 it is going to be 90 that means you are going to be satisfied with 90 utils okay so अझै कोल्ड ड्रिंक पनि खायो कोल्ड ड्रिंक को 60 utils थियो अरे भने so 90 plus 60 it is going to be 150 utils okay so जति तिमीले खाँदै खाँदै कुरा खाने कुराहरु थप्दै थप्दै जान्छ यति नै युटिलिटी बढ्छ भने that is called total utility okay so that was called total utility so by adding some more utils that means if the consumer consumes some of the items so अझै खाँदैछ भने so कति खायो त okay so how much they have consumed so that is called the total utility let me describe with this one also so total utility means so suppose the marginal utility of some product was 20 अर्को चौमिनको 30 अर्कोको 50 यसरी छ भने 20 plus 30 plus 50 कति हुन्छ 100 हुन्छ दैट मीन्स तीनटा चीज के खास भने त्यसरी प्लस हुँदै जान्छ हरे तिमीहरुको satisfaction okay so if you have gone to some party yesterday also I have given this example so if all the foods are tasty then you are going to be fully satisfied oh your party ekdam best थियो okay so why you like that party the best because every items were very tasty that means 50 50 50 150 तिमीले युटिलिटी दियो अरे सो अर्काको बिहेमा गयो अरे फेरि ओके अर्को दिन फेरि अर्को बिहे थियो अरे सो अलिकति चौमिन सो म पुलाउ it was not so tasty that means instead of giving 50 you'll get just 20 points only मिठो थिएन okay so if you go to meat item त्यो त्यहाँ पनि अलिकति नुन कम छ अरे ओके सो यसको पनि अलिकति पोइन्ट कम गर्दियो तिमीले 30 ओके सो अर्को अचारतिर गएर पापडतिर गएर त्यहाँ पनि अर्कै खालको ओसिसेको पापडहरु पनि ओके सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव गिवन लेस युटिलिटी टु दिस वन आल्सो that means so if we compare yesterday's party and today's party so where you are more satisfied you are satisfied yesterday where all the things were tasty okay so totally कुनमा satisfied धेरै भएको थियो तिम्रो हिजो satisfied भएको थियो आज अलिकति कम satisfied भएको छ किनभने everything is not so tasty एउटा पनि अलिकति कम मिठो भयो भने तिमीहरुको युटिलिटी दैट मीन्स योर सेटिस्फ्याक्सन इज गोइङ टु बी डाउन ओके सो सेटिस्फ्याक्सन अलिकति डाउन हुन्छ सो बी केयरफुल सो whenever you arrange some party and all so the cook must be the best one okay so त्यहाँ यसरी नै बनेछ suppose if one orange has the utility okay so यसको util sorry the orange एउटा orange को util 8 छ भने 8 3 जा कति 24 that means total how much you are going to be satisfied 24 utils you are going to be satisfied so that was all about the total utility so let us go towards the marginal utility yesterday we have learned this one also just a small recap on yesterday's topic so marginal utility भनेको चाहिँ suppose if you have taken momo regularly for a long period of time okay so त्यही time मा suppose 10 o'clock you are going to take momo त्यही 10 o'clock मा है so 10 बजेर यही 10 कै आसपासमा तिमीले मोमो खाइराख्यो अरे how much momo you can take it you can take 20 momos maybe okay so if you start taking momo after 50 bites okay after 50th piece of momo can you still take 20 momo no okay so के हुन्छ त तिम्रो जब खाँदै जान्छ नि okay कुनै कुरा पनि एउटा फिक्स एउटा कुरा जुन तिमीलाई एकदम मिठो लाग्ने कुरा पनि so when you start taking it the utility that means the satisfaction अलिकति अगाउँदै जान्छ that means so if you can take 20 pieces now तिमीहरुको चाहना कति खाने मात्रै हुन्छ 18 pieces मात्रै हुन्छ so after taking again one more product it may be 16 pieces after taking so 2 3 4 products it may be 10 pieces only okay so तिमीहरुको त्यही टाइममा regularly if you continue that product then the utility is going to be decreased continuously okay so तिमीहरुको utility के हुँदै जान्छ रे घट्दै जान्छ so it is said that the additional satisfaction okay एउटा थप कुनै कुरा थप गर्दा फेरि तिमीहरुको satisfaction चाहिँ कतिले चेन्ज हुन्छ okay so by how much it is going to be changed satisfaction कति घटेर जान्छ तिमीहरुको okay so total utility त बढ्छ तर satisfaction चाहिँ अलिकति के हुन्छ त त्यो खानेकुरा प्रति अलिकति घट्दै जान्छ भात पनि तिमीहरु कन्टिन्यू खाने त so एउटै त्यही टाइममा suppose if you can take one plate okay so after taking one plate again can you take one plate no you cannot take one plate now okay so your tummy is full that means you are fully satisfied भयो सक्यो तिम्रो यहाँदेखि जान्दैन तिम्रो though you like the rice very much you will not take rice after that okay that means the total so marginal utility भनेको चाहिँ प्रत्येक गाँसमा that means प्रत्येक कन्जम्पसन मा चाहिँ so कति युटिलिटीले घट्दै जान्छ so that is the marginal utility okay so that is the marginal utility so marginal utility the additional satisfaction that the consumer derive from the consumption of one extra unit of commodity is called marginal utility okay एउटा अझै एक्स्ट्रा तिमीले केही कुरा खाछ भने okay so कति युटिलिटीले गर्छ बढ्छ so that is the marginal utility so यता पनि एक्जाम्पल दिएको छौ तिमीहरुको okay so तिमीहरुको 7th piece मा 30 utils छ रे 80th piece मा sorry 8th piece मा कति utils छ okay so कता गयो okay 8th piece मा चाहिँ 35 utils छ रे 8th piece मा भनेपछि एक गाँस अझै थप्दा फेरि 6 7 पछि कति आउँछ 8 आउँछ आउँदैन त अब एक पिस अझै खाँदा फेरि त 8 भयो ओके सो कतिले युटिलिटी बढेको घटेको रहेछ त भन्दाखेरि 35 minus 30 5 utils ले बढेको रहेछ त्यो अघि भर्खर तिमीले जुन एक पिस खाए नि ओके पोटेटो चिप्स हो त्यसको युटिल कति रहेछ 5 util रहेछ ओके सो सपोज अझै एक गाँस खाए 9th पिस खायो रे तिमीले भने सो 9th पिसमा चाहिँ 35 बाट अब 40 भयो रे भने 40 minus 35 5 ओके यसको युटिल कति हुन्छ 5 util रहेछ भनेर थाहा हुन्छ okay so let us go to the relation yesterday we have done all this thing and alikati recap matrai gareko thiye so relationship between total utility and marginal utility so total utility marginal utility कसरी याद गर्ने पनि yesterday I have taught you how to do this फेरि अलिकति recap गरौँ यसको पनि so relationship between total utility and marginal utility कसरी देखाउने त relation okay so के गरौँ त भन्दाखेरि पहिला याद गर्ने okay so in case of total utility and marginal utility 10 देखि even number मा घटाउँदै जाने 10 देखि even number मा that means 10 8 6 4 2 0 minus 2. This is the thing you need to remember. केमा marginal utility मा यसरी point घटाउँदै 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 जाने. Okay, अहिले नसारौँ. So I've already sent you the so MS Word एउटा MS Word font मैले पठाएको छु तिमीहरुको त्यहाँबाट सार्दा हुन्छ. Okay, otherwise afterwards I will send you the video. You can pause the video and you can listen. Okay, I'll just listen only. पछि notes बनाउँदा हुन्छ. Okay, so just you need to remember यो चाहिँ exam मा नलेख्नु फेरि. So just remember marginal utility चाहिँ it must be 10. Okay, so from 10 decrease it from in the form of even number. Okay, so 10 8 6 4 2 0 minus 2. अब कसरी लेख्ने त यो हैन त. So total utility त 10 sorry 0 10 18 24 28 ला यो त यादै गर्न सक्दिन भन्छ भने. So what I told you, just memorize marginal utility. यो चाहिँ याद गर्ने हो नि त. Okay, always remember the marginal utility. तिमीहरुको अरु टपिक पनि छ where there is marginal utility. Okay, so always remember marginal utility instead of using memorizing the total utility. Okay, so अब सुनौ त के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि, so when you take the bread, okay, so when the slice of bread it is look very tasty, the packaging and all, it looks very tasty and all. Okay, so तिमीलाई अझ जाम लगाएर अझ अन्डा दल्दिएपछि त, okay, so अन्डा फ्राई गरेर दल्दिएपछि त you like to take it. Okay, तर कतिसम्म चाहिँ खान सक्छौ तिमीले. So there is always a limit. Okay, so that limit is the marginal utility. So when you start taking one bite, that means one piece, so the marginal utility, that means the utility starts decreasing. तिमीहरुको जुन खाने चाहना छ त्यो घट्दै घट्दै जान्छ है. एउटै लुगा लगाइराख त तिमीहरु, त्यो लुगा तिमीलाई मनै पर्न छोड्दिन्छ. Okay, so एउटै गेम खेलिराख, so त्यो गेम पनि कुनै न कुनै दिन, so it starts so you stop like to play that game again and again. Okay, so एउटा point आउँछ PUBG खेल्ने तिमीलाई जुन अहिले रहर लागिराछ, so that will go down one day. Okay, so next one, so here, so whenever there is a bread, suppose a bread, we are talking about the bread, so unit of bread consumed. So suppose you have not taken bread, okay, you have taken one bread, one slice, two slice, three slice, 4 5 6 7 slices. Okay, so एक line छोड्दै गर्नु पर्थ्यो हैन. Then after that, okay, so how to memorize this total utility भन्छ भने, so 0 तिमीले ब्रेड खा छैन भने के satisfy हुन्छ तिमीहरु? Utility भनेको त satisfaction हो नि त हैन. So yesterday also I think you have already done this one, so त्यही भएर अलिकति फास्ट मा जान्दैछु म. So total utility त तिमीहरुको 0 हुन्छ. So when you take one more slice, एउटा ब्रेड लियो भने तिमीहरुको युटिलिटी कति भयो? 10 भयो. कसरी याद गर्ने यस्तो नम्बर्सहरु? कसरी याद गर्ने? यताबाट याद गर्ने. Okay, so प्लस गर्दै जाने. So what is the first number? Write down 10. 10. अब 10 plus यो number plus है, यो number plus. So 10 plus what is the second number? 8. Let me draw this. So if you have forgotten, you can memorize. Okay, so what is the first number? It is 10. Write down 10. Then after that, so 10 plus के गर्ने? 8 गर्ने. Okay, so 10 plus 8, it is 18. Write down 18. Okay, 10 plus 8, 18. So 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 how much? 24. 18 plus 6 गरिदिने 24. So 24 plus what is the next number? 24 plus 4, 28. Okay, so 28 plus 2, 30. So 30 plus 0, 30 नै हुन्छ. Okay, and 30 minus 2 गर्दा त घट्छ number. It will become 28. Okay, so in this way we can memorize total utility. Then make the beautiful like this. Okay, with the help of scale and pencil. Okay, so राम्ररी सफा पारेर यसरी बनाउने. Then after that, so how to write on this one? Okay, so in the middle line, यो दुईटाको बीचमा के लेख्ने भन्दाखेरि, so you are going to start from 1. यो 1 है, यो 1 को हो, यो 2 को हो, यो 3 को, यसरी यो 7 को यतापट्टि छ माथिल्लोपट्टि ल. Okay, so this is of 1. That means so 1 मा marginal utility कति छ त भन्दाखेरि, So 10 अघि त खाकै थिएन, so 10 ए भयो. So 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0, 10. अब यो गर्छौ तिमीहरु. 18 एरोले देखाइराछ नि त. 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10, 8. Okay. So next one. So 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18, 6. So here 28 minus 24. Hey, so 30 minus 30. So that 28 minus 30. यसरी subtraction गर्दै गर्ने. Okay. So यो चाहिँ पहिला यसो गर्दा नि भयो. So 10 यो यता यताको नम्बर लेख्ने त पहिला 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, 30, 28. Okay, write down the first number. Then after that, you mathematical number बाट start गर्ने. Minus 0. Okay, so start from here. 0. Minus 0, minus 10, minus 18, minus 24, minus 28. Okay, यो जुन माथिल्लो यसरी एरो दिएको छ त्यो चाहिँ पछाडी लाने. Okay, मासतिर जाँदैछ भने अगाडि लेख्ने, तलतिर जाँदैछ भने पछाडी लेख्दिने, minus गर्दिने. Okay, so in this way we can memorize. And finally, what you'll get after subtraction, you'll get the same MU, marginal utility. त्यही नै पाउँछौ तिमीले. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2. Okay, in this way you will get the same numbers. Is it okay? Now, यो हिजो हामीले पढिसकेको कुरा हो. Is there any problem? Okay. Now, after that, so when you see here, तिमीले यसरी हेर्यो भने यति पार्टलाई हेर्ने भने, so what you can see over here? So you can see that from 0, actually not from 5, from 4. Let me erase this one. 30 लाई छोड्दियौ. यति पार्टलाई गोलाइदियौ त. Okay, so you can see over here. So in this case, so from 0 to 4, जब तिमीले ब्रेड खाँदै जान्छ, तिमीहरुको satisfaction, total satisfaction बढ्दै जान्छ. एउटा अझै थप्यो, अझै satisfy भयो. Okay, so that means अझै थप्यो, तिमीहरुको suppose एउटा ब्रेड खाँदै छ भने, so तिमीहरु अगाउँदै अगाउँदै, that means अझै satisfy हुँदै 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 थपिँदै थपिँदै जान्छ. तर एउटा थपिँदाखेरि कति marginal utility, that means how much utility will be decreased, कति utility चाहिँ घट्दै घट्दै जान्छ, that is the marginal utility. Okay, total utility त बढ्छ, कोक खाएको छ, चाउमिन खाएको छ, 10 plus 20 त हुँदैछ. Okay, तर प्रत्येक बाइटमा, okay, so प्रत्येक एउटा कोल्ड ड्रिंकको घुटमा, okay, so your utility, that means the satisfaction is keep on decreasing. Okay, so after drinking 2 glasses of Mountain Dew, if somebody will offer you Mountain Dew again, okay, then are you going to take it? No, you are not going to take it. You are full now. You are totally satisfied. Your total utility is now maximum. Maximum भएपछि के हुन्छ त, तिमीहरु घटाउँदै जान्छौ. अब भयो 30 पछि तिमीहरुको के भइराछ त, बढेकै छैन. Okay, that means you are full now. So that is the total utility. Okay, so यता relation के देखिराछ भन्दाखेरि जब total utility बढ्दैछ, you can see the screen over here, 0, 10, 18, 24, 28 बढ्दैछ यो. Okay, so it is keep on increasing, बढ्दैछ यो. So बढेको बेलामा, so if you see marginal utility, then marginal utility is also what? It is decreasing in a positive manner. Okay, so यो plus sign मै छ, तर यो घट्दैछ. Okay, so marginal utility is decreasing, but it is still positive. Got it? So your first stage मा चाहिँ यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ. अब second stage मा यता हेर्नु त line पनि draw भएको छ. Second stage मा 5th र 6th gas मा के भएको छ तिमीहरुको 5th bread 6th bread खाँदा फेरि the marginal, the total utility is now maximum. अब 30 देखि बढेको छैन. You are full now. Okay, so तिमीहरुलाई 5th bite खाँदा र 6th bite मा त्यही satisfaction भएको छ. तिमीहरुको अब total utility, they are not going to be increased. अब भयो, मलाई पुग्यो. Okay, so I am not going to take any more now. Okay, so that means the total utility is constant now. Okay, that means, so you can see total utility is maximum, so it is not going to increase now. Correct? So total utility is maximum, it is not going to increase now. And if you are talking about the marginal utility चाहिँ के भइराछ त? Okay, so यो त अघिसम्म त घट्दै थियो. It was but positive, plus मै छ यो. सबै नम्बर प्लस मै छ, 0 मा पनि छैन, माइनस मा पनि छैन. It is decreasing, but it is in the positive number. Okay, but if you see this number, if you see in 5th and 6th byte, then you can see that the marginal utility is at 0. यो 0 मा छ. Okay, अब तिमीलाई खानु मन छैन यो अब. 0 means you don't want to take it anymore now. That's why. So total utility is constant. Okay, and now in the 7th, अब चाहिँ अति भइसक्यो. When you keep on taking the food for a long time, the same food for the long time, though you like that food, okay, so तिमीलाई एकदम मिठो लाग्छ, तर त्यही कुरा बारम्बार एउटै टाइममा खाइराख्यो भने, so what is going to happen? So instead of having the positive total utility त total utility त जहिले प्लस हुनुपर्ने, तर के भयो अब यो घट्न थाल्यो. Okay, now whenever you take the food for a long period of time, the total utility starts decreasing instead of increasing. So 30 को सट्टा के बच्छ 28 बच्छ. Is it okay? Now marginal utility is what? So, sorry, total utility is getting what? Total utility is decreasing. Can you see total utility decreasing or not? 30 बाट 28 भयो. Okay, so in the third stage, so total utility is at decreasing manner. Okay, decreasing order. Are you understanding? And what about the marginal utility? Marginal utility चाहिँ के भयो त? यहाँ हेर्ने तीनटा लाइन बनाछ. एउटा लाइन यता, एउटा फर्स्ट स्टेज भयो. Okay, so this is the next line. So यो दुईटा 5th and 6th मा next line छ यता. That means this is the second stage. And अब चाहिँ maximum खायो भने, so what is going to happen? So that it will be the third stage, where there will be the negative impression of that food. Okay, so negative marginal utility you can see over here. So minus मा गएको छ अब. Okay, now if you take more than that food, instead of enjoying, you are going to hate that food. Okay, so marginal utility is going to be minus. So this is the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. So जब तिमीले इनिशियल स्टेजमा खान्छौ, okay, कुनै पनि कुरा सुरुमा खान्छौ भने त्यो मिठो लाग्छ, you like it. The marginal utility is also decreasing. It is decreasing, but it is still in the positive manner. Okay, तिमीलाई मिठो लागिराछ, okay, अलिअलि गर्दै अगाउँदैछौ तिमीहरू, तर still they are in the positive way. Okay, they are in the positive order. But when you take more than enough, then what will happen? So the total, so this will be the stage where you will have the total maximum satisfaction. So maximum total utility will be maximum. Okay, and what in case of marginal utility? So it becomes 0. That means above bhayo, you are fully satisfied. Okay, you are fully satisfied in the 5th and 6th byte. But when you go more than that, so that is more than enough now. You are going to hate that product. It will go in the negative way now. Okay, so कुनै पनि कुरा सस्तो बनाइदियो भने यसरी पनि हुन सक्छ. So the people, so first of all they will start liking it. Okay, they may be liking that product, but when it is very cheap, okay, धेरै consume गर्न थाल्यो भने अब मान्छेले त्यो खाना छोड्दिन्छ. So that's why, so when the product price is in a average level, okay, एउटा average मा छ भने चाहिँ, so they may be consuming it for the long period of time, तर एकदम सस्तो छ भने धेरै खायो भने के हुन्छ त, त्यो त राम्रो हुँदैन. So that means they are going to hate that product now. सस्तो मात्र बनाएर त हुँदैन रहेछ. Okay, so they make an average product so that they can afford it also. Okay, so धेरै पनि नखाओस्, एकैचोटी धेरै खायो भने पनि they are not going to like it for the future. तिम्रो त फ्युचर को लागि बिजनेस बनाएको, फ्युचर सम्मको लागि, फ्युचर ओरिएन्टेड. Okay, so you must you must have the pricing system where they will not take more than enough. Okay, धेरै भन्दा धेरै कुरा चाहिँ नखाओस्, तिनीहरूले आफ्नै प्रोडक्ट खाओस्. Okay, तर पछि सम्मको लागि सोचेर बनाउनु पर्यो. Okay, अहिले नै मिठो लाग्छ भने धेरै धेरै सप्लाई गर्ने होइन. Okay, so that is the marketing trick that you need to know it. Okay, so there is an explanation over here, so let me clear it. Okay, so here, so the same thing is explained over here. So same thing is explained. Let me show you how to draw the figure now. So first of all, draw the lines. Okay, so this is the marginal utility and the total utility. See what is the maximum number over here. See the total utility, what is the maximum number? टोटल युटिलिटीमा सबभन्दा ठुलो नम्बर कति छ 30 and in case of marginal utility the maximum number is 10 okay that means we need to make a number little bit greater than 30 भन्दा अलिकति धेरै बनाम त okay so either make it 30 नभए भर्सकै हुन्छ नि एक लाइन अझै थपेर 32 लेख्दिने okay so if you start writing 0 1 2 3 4 30 lines are needed so instead of making 0 1 2 3 4 you can do like this also make it in the even way okay so यसरी थर्ड लाइन बनाउने अनि त्यसपछि 0 write it in the even number so 0 2 4 6 यसरी marginal utility र total utility एउटै हुने गरी यसरी बनाउने सरररर okay with the help of scale and pencil do not use pen for this one figure must be drawn with the pencil and scale only get it then after that this side make it quality so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 so what is it okay so this is the number of bread you have taken just now do you remember so there was a number of bread so number of bread quantity okay so quantity how much you have taken it just 10 minutes left now so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 that's why this is the quantity that you have taken okay 7 breads is it okay now so in the first bite so first bite 0 ma ta 0 थियो okay so see it properly so in 0 it was 0 1 ma 10 थियो okay so 2 ma first of all make total utility 2 ma 18 3 ma 24 let us make the graph according to that one so 0 ma 0 थियो 1 ma 10 थियो okay make it so 1 एउटा bread खाँदा फेरि what was the total utility it is 10 make the dot sign over here so in the second bread what was the total utility it was 18 okay so यताको सिधा लाइनमा so make a dot line over here so make a circle okay so make a circle so that it will be easy for us to see it okay it will be easy for us to see the number so next one so in the third what was the number it was 24 so यसको सिधा अनि यसको सिधा 24 को सिधा okay so you make the dot lines over here so के गर्ने यसलाई गोलो बनाइदिने then again 4 मा 28 थियो okay I'm not saying the imaginary number right so माथि जे छ नि मैले त्यही लेखेको है यो now I cannot show the above image right now okay so fourth it was 28 fifth I think it was 30 is it 30 okay yeah fifth it was 30 sixth it was 30 and 7 it was 28 okay kata puyo okay so fifth it was 30 sixth it was 30 and seventh it was 28 seventh it was 28 you can draw afterwards just listen first यो यता यो लाइन यो 28 को सिधा लाइन ओके सो यो सिधा सिधा स्केलले मेजर गरेर सिधा सिधा लाइनमा यो पोइन्टमा डट बनाउने ओके स्केलले नाप्ने यसरी then after that so make a dot lines over here dot line over here so make a circle this side make a circle then after that what you can do so then you can do like this you can take a scale sorry not the scale pencil with the free hand हात सीधा बनाएर okay so हातले जता जता डट छ नि यो सीधा सीधा बनाउँदै जाने okay so in optional math you used to make parabola the same thing parabola बनाउने okay so झर्दैछ त्यही भएर तलतिर झार्दिने so this is how you make the total utility what you have made just now you have made total utility now after making total utility what you need to go to the marginal utility also okay so what was the numbers of marginal utility so 10 I told you so 10 8 6 4 2 0 minus 2 यसरी याद गर्ने marginal utility चाहिँ याद गर्नु पर्ने हो okay so what was the number 1 मा it was 10 2 मा what was the number 8 3 मा 6 4 4 right? So 5 ma it was 2. So in 6 it was 0, and in 7 what was the number? It was in -2. That's why तलपट्टि पनि अलिकति बनाइदिने -2 को number पनि. Then draw the straight line. Sarala. Okay, with the help of scale, because it is a straight line, so make the straight line. If there is any problem, please ask me. Then I can go a little bit forward. So I just have 5 minutes. Please ask if there is any problem, how to draw. You can ask. You can unmute and you can ask me. Is there any problem? Just we are making the figure, making the graph according to the above data. Okay, अगाडिको information अगाडि जसरी नै हामीले बनाएको हो. So this is all about the marginal utility, and this is all about the total utility. Okay, so where it has meet together. So where it is in 0. Okay, so 0 is over here. Okay, so 0 जहाँ छ नि हो यो 0 यो जुन x axis मा सुको छ. So take a scale and draw the dotted lines. Okay, so draw the dotted lines. So this will show that if you don't make this figure, don't make this lines. So this will show that this is the line, this is the stage. Okay, let me just explain it. Do not. So this is the point where our total utility is maximum. So it is increasing in the increasing order. Okay, so marginal utility पनि के भइराछ, marginal utility पनि घटिराछ, marginal utility is decreasing. Always marginal utility चाहिँ के हुन्छ त, घट्छ नै यो. Okay, but it is decreasing in the positive number. यो positive number मै छ अझै. Okay, so यो second stage मा चाहिँ के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि, so if it is 30 then it is also 30. That means total utility is constant. So total utility is maximum. अब मान्छेले यहाँदेखि खानु छोड्दो रहेछ. Okay, so धेरै भन्दा धेरै खायो भने, so यहाँदेखि धेरै खायो भने खानु छोड्दै रहेछ. So one day the point will come. So when you reach in this point, okay, your PUBG पनि एक दिन यस्तो point मा आउँछ, गर्दै जान्छ तिमीहरुको. Okay, so when your दिमाग will come, then it will start doing it. Okay, so now in the second stage, so the अब तिमीहरु अति satisfied भइसक्यो तिमीहरु. Okay, now the total utility is maximum. And the marginal utility चाहिँ केमा पुगिसक्यो, 0 मा पुगिसक्यो. Okay, and in the third stage, so this stage, if you are talking about this stage, this is the third stage. In this third stage, you can see that now total utility पनि के भइसक्यो, अब घटिसक्यो. अब तिमीहरु त्यसको good impression हैन, अब the bad impression तिर गइसकेछौ तिमीहरु. You are not going to be satisfied. You are going to be unsatisfied with that product now. Okay, the thing which was where you were satisfied a lot, so now you are going to be dissatisfied. Okay, so with this product. Okay, so ati utilization, overutilization causes dissatisfaction of the product. This is the main theme of this definition. Okay, the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Okay, so यसकै अनुसार तिमीहरुको law of diminishing marginal utility भन्ने टपिक पनि छ. यही टपिक अनुसार नै बनिएको छ. Okay, so this is the third utility, and here so you can see not only the negative total utility तलतिर मात्र गएको छैन, के पनि माइनस मा गएको छ, marginal utility. अब तिमीहरुलाई अब न्याक्कै भइसक्यो यो खानेकुरा. That means suppose if you are not talking about the खानेकुरा, लगाउने कुरा पनि अब चाहिँ भयो. Okay, so when you start riding a bike for a first time, okay, suppose you know the bike for the first time, that means तिमीलाई सुरुमा कुदाउँ लाग्छ. Okay, for an example of this marginal utility and total utility. So when you ride the bike for the first time, so you prefer to ride the bike. भोलि पनि कुदाउँ पछि पनि कुदाउँ लाग्छ. But when you keep on riding for a maximum time, then what will happen? So you'll reach in a peak that no, अब कति बाइक कुदाउनु. Okay, now अब त तै कुदा भनेर you start giving it. That means so the point will come. So when you are totally satisfied with that product, now the utility not only starts to go in the positive manner, it starts to go in the negative manner also. Okay, so that is all about the explanation of this graph. So you need to make this graph in this way. So this is all about it, and you need to explain the graph. Okay, so माथि जे छ नि यो त्यतै नै लेखेछ. So fifth unit मा, that means fifth rate मा तिमीहरुको यसरी घटेको छ, diminishing rate मा घटेको छ. So whatever it is written up, the same thing is written in the description also. Okay, so hope you have got that MS Word clips and all. Okay, मैले पठाएको थिएँ हिजो. So I'll send you today also. So please make the note question number 1. Okay, let us not go for question number 2 right now. So just do question number 1 and make a proper note and keep on learning. Okay, so this topic, relationship between total utility and marginal utility, it is very important. Okay, for the exam point of view. So hope you have understood the meaning and the topic. Okay, so the video may be off anytime. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Okay, so if there is any problem, you can ask me.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Everything's okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
video was okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.